Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? Well, today on Ron's Keto Cafe, today we're going to be making a chili using ground beef, 2080 ground chuck, a little bit of tomato paste, and we're going to use some diced tomatoes. We're going to drain the liquid out of the diced tomatoes and add the paste to it, and then we're going to add some onion, peppers, and some simple seasonings, and then we're going to have it on a tortilla wrap. And I'm going to take the tortilla wrap and I'm going to fold them like a tortilla, and I'm going to just toast them a little bit in the air fryer afterwards. Now, I messed up on the tortilla wraps. Sorry about the pronunciation. I thought they were low carb, but they wound up being just regular tortillas. But we're going to keep it simple today and have two of them, so because of the carbs that are in the tortillas. But the mission wraps, they do make a low carb version of it, so next time we make the low carb version, we'll make it with that kind. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll come back and we'll talk about it. And have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Hi guys, so this recipe is pretty simple to make. It's a low carb chili meat sauce. You'll need a pound of ground beef, a little bit of olive oil for the cooking, and then some simple seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, everything off to taste. And then I ended up putting in some peppers in at the end, and some onions that I had chopped up a while back ago. I added a can of tomato paste and a can of diced tomatoes, a small medium can of each. And then once I fried up all the ground beef like you've seen me now, then I added a little bit of soy sauce at the end of it and some chili powder, maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons. And no time at all, this all cooked up. The meat was kind of partially frozen when I started cooking it. And then I had these on tortilla wraps, and then I ended up making like a burrito, and I put it in the air fryer for about 10. But the problem was when I popped them out of the air fryer, one split open, and because I didn't wrap it up tight enough, and I should have probably maybe put a toothpick to hold it together. But these are some of the learning things that we do, but otherwise everything tasted fantastic, and I definitely have plans again to make it again. But the only problem was is I should have added a little cheese, because that would have brought it over the top. It was just something I had forgotten about. Now, don't judge my food, because the tortilla wraps are not low carb and they're not keto. But the problem is I had forgot to look at the label. So when I bought it, I thought they were low carb. And my wife had asked me that when I got home. She says, "Do you know you bought the wrong kind?" So, again, always read your labels. I don't throw away any food here, because food is too expensive, especially being on retirement. And those were frozen onions and peppers that I had chopped up a while back ago. They were like the green and bell peppers and the red bell peppers. And then I just said, find this cheaper to just buy them and then chop them up and freeze them yourself. And then again, it didn't take hardly any time at all. So let's continue on with the video, and we'll talk about it at the end of the video, and then have an amazing day. And there you have our final product. So without further ado, let's go in the back room and just talk about it briefly, really quick, and enjoy your day. Hi guys, well, we are back. Okay, so my tortillas are done. The only problem was one of my tortillas split open on the air fryer on me, and I should have wrapped it up a little tighter. And the other two came out all right. I just cut one open and I had a couple of bites of it. My only suggestion would be you could put some cheese in it. I didn't think about it at the time I was making it. But again, these aren't low carb because of the tortilla wrap. It's a regular tortilla wrap. I screwed up, but I'm having it anyways because I want to use up the wraps and I don't throw any food out. But It's going good. I lost 8 pounds this week, and I'm happy. This is transitioning over to carbs, to carnivore, from carnivore to keto for the weekend. But I'm only having one of these. There's only like about 20 carbs or grams or something like that in that one, and it's okay for today, But I made a Chapo earlier today. That'll be a video number 15 on the playlist here. It's a McGriddle egg and sausage grinded Chapo that I made. Yeah. So anyways, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys.